Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rafe West. So, so I guess I was right. There's going to be no package before the election. But also, that's at least what Trump said. But also, sometimes he uses that as negotiation tactics. All right. They also said he might be on this steroid-induced psychosis after all the medication they gave him. But it's more like sometimes he uses it as a negotiation tactic, because then shortly thereafter he tweeted about maybe doing some targeted stimulus. So, but there is no package coming prior to the election. All right? We kind of already know that. So, excuse the lighting here. So, there's not gonna be any. His communication is kind of seems bipolarish. All these leaves, it always feels like somebody's like following you. I guess that's the autumn. But so there's not gonna be any package. Now they're talking about targeted stimulus, saving the airlines and stuff. So, at least for now, along with the PPP program and extension for that, or in addition to that. And so, as far as the virus, he got it, the Rona, and he's recovering. Now, what he's doing out there, back in, there's such thing as recharging your batteries, because if you want to be more efficient as a person, as the president, because that job is just, the title for that job should be decision maker, and it's a tough one, and you want your batteries to be recharged. So I'm surprised he doesn't believe in that. And what I mean by that is, he could have recharged a bit. I know most people much younger. I had the flu, the regular flu, H1N1. All right, I had that, and it took me several weeks to recover. He's almost 3 decades older than me, and it took him, you mean to tell me he's recovered in a few days? I mean, there's such thing as recharging your batteries for efficiency. I'm a little surprised that he doesn't believe in that. He should, he should believe in that, because most successful people do believe in that, and he's achieved at least some level of success. There's no denying that. So I'm a little surprised at that. So what happens next? There's a debate tonight, I believe. There's a debate, and I don't know what's going to happen with that. I don't think I'm going to watch it. It's the Vice President, Pence versus Vice Presidential candidate Kamala Harris. I don't think I'm going to watch it, live anyway. And what's going to happen with that? I don't know what they're going to talk about. It might be more tame of a debate. But yeah, anyway, those are my thoughts on, and I believe around election time it's going to get crazy. I believe we're going to see protests, rioting. I don't know if something's going to go wrong. They say Biden can end all the drama if he wins Texas. But, I'm surprised about the president. I thought he would believe in recharging his batteries. It would have been cool to hear that he was humbled, to hear I'm sorry. It would have been cool to hear that. Um, I don't believe he said that. I haven't heard that anywhere. So a little bit surprising. Someone who I feel should know a little better than that. But I still think there's no package coming. You guys should still get out there and vote, and also protect yourselves. You know, it's supposed to be kind of a second wave over here where I am. There might be a second wave beginning, or at least some clusters. And there's an app here. I think 11 states have the app that will alert you if you're within 6 feet of anyone who's had the V. So I haven't gotten my first alert yet. I don't know if that's going to cause a stampede on the subway or anything like that, but I could just imagine, like, I mean, what if I'm in the middle of shopping for groceries at the supermarket and I get my alert? What do? Run out of there? Drop my shopping trip and run out of there? I don't know. So it'll be interesting. I don't think a lot of people are signed up for it yet, so I would put it at probably 50% accuracy, because it depends on the people to put in their health information, positive COVID tests through their health log, and then through the Bluetooth it will detect from device to device if someone has been in contact. If you have your sensitivity and notification on, you will be contacted if that person input their stuff into the system, and it remains anonymous. So it'll just say that someone within 6 feet has been exposed or has had COVID, and then it won't say their name or anything like that. So I don't know. I don't think it's going to be 100% because it involves trust, and a lot of people don't have trust in giving their information on there and stuff. And but I'm going to try it out for now. Haven't gotten my first alert yet, which is a good thing. And those are just my thoughts, okay, guys? So let's call this video World Thoughts from Rafe West. All right, stay strong, hang in there, and I will speak with you guys another time. All right, take care. Peace.